So we're about to head out, and Isaac's in his playpen. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. He hadn't been able to fit into this coat for a while, but now he does. So here he is. Hi. Hi. Ready to go? He babbles like that all the time now. Hey, hey, hi. Isaac. Huh?
Go. Go.
You want to go?
Go.
Okay. Yeah.
Go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.